All right. So today we are here planning and doing amazing healing manifestation on the full moon vibrations today. And one aspect that works super wonders is full moon charging with crystals, full moon with different switch words, and full moon has its own amazing energy. Three things you will do tonight, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow for enhancing, uplifting your manifestation energy. One simple thing that you will do is keep the water under the full moon so that your water is getting energized and you can drink that water, sprinkle that water all across your house, and of course your main door, because the main door is a vibration जहाँ से flow of abundance आता है. This is the time when many of you have asked me with regards to कि say for suppose overall cash flow हो रहा है, but there is no kind of a surplus जो हमारे पास रहता है. So today we would be chanting 520 for unexpected flow of money. Second, we would be doing क्योंकि full moon है, there is an eclipse and बहुत लोग इसके कारण ही डरे हुए हैं. Few of my tribe members have asked me कि यहाँ पे protection के लिए then we'll do a sage guard chanting for 108 times and 520 for 108 times. So the 605 perfect time to start with. We'll always begin our session with a cleansing, ho'oponopono healing prayer. So let's join your hands, close your eyes. Perfect. Breathe in and let go. One more time. Breathe in. Let go. Close your eyes. In this moment of complete awareness, let's take 100% responsibility. I am 100% responsible for everything I feel right now. Speak it along with me. I am 100% responsible for everything in my life which is happening right now. With all the awareness, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And this complete awareness, with all of your attention, say, I'm sorry, mind yourself, for overstressing you and burdening you for money aspect. I'm not sure whether I'll make more surplus and I would have savings or not. I'm always worried and I'm always tensed. Please forgive me, my dear self, for thinking that I am not good enough, for underestimating my own self. Please forgive me. Thank you, my dear self, for helping me to grow, to expand my own potential, to learn, to unlearn, and to relearn joyful things in my life. I'm so grateful to my life that in this moment, everything is taken care. And remember all your blessings in this moment. Your life is so taken care. I remember I started this journey in 2017 when I had some of my own failures. And yet, that moment, I know my life was taken care. In this moment, on 22nd of October, while I'm recording this video, 2023, even in this moment, my life is always taken care, and so is yours. Be grateful for all the blessings, for everyone in your family, in your life, your own self, for making this happen for you. Lastly, to your own self, I love. Even if I have not said this to my own self few times in this moment of complete awareness, with your hands at your heart and feel it. And just give yourself, wrap your hands across and give yourself a warm hug. and say I love you, my dear self. I will say my name. I love you, Disha. You say your name. And with this, open your arms and be receptive to this healing energy, to this healing power, the healing vibrations of the full moon, and say, I'm connected with your universe. I'm connected with my own self. Look up, look up, look up, smile. Even that ceiling should have that connection, that power within you. Yes. And in this moment of complete awareness, be more receptive so that you align to that receptive energy of abundance coming in. So first we would be chanting 520 for having unexpected source of income because this is a space or a time जहाँ पे from दशहरा to धनतेरस बहुत ही different opportunities सब aspects में open up हो जाता है, whether it is business, whether it is career growth, whether it is shifting of career, whether it is planning for some vacation. So different aspects को लेके abundance flow hota hai. There are many ample of opportunities coming in. So this is a very right time to do a unexpected source of money wala thing. And then we would be chanting safeguard for protection of the full moon vibrations. So I would begin with my crystal mala. If you have your crystal mala, that's fine. If you don't, it is completely okay. I am chanting 520. Just repeat after me. 520 with an intention that you have money from different sources. जरूरी नहीं है कि जब एक ही नल से पानी आए तो ही वो पानी का बकेट फिलअप होगा. Sometimes universe is showering you different kind of rain, different kind of outlet, different kind of pump lines. You have no idea. Yes, in the same way, money हम सोचते हैं कि सिर्फ सैलरी से ही आएगा. हम सोचते हैं कि उस पर्सन से जिधर से हमारे बैड डेट से उसके पास से आना चाहिए वहीं से आएगा. हमारा ये जो अग्रीमेंट है उसी एस्पेक्ट से मनी रहा. मनी कैन come flow and flood in your account from different sources. हमको नहीं पता है. So इसी तरीके से just allow yourself to be receptive and allow yourself to just get aligned to this tuning that पैसा कहीं से भी आ सकता है. And with that unexpected source of income, let's chant 520. So set an intention. I'm also setting an intention कि different four sources मेरे लिए open up हो जाए from this Dashera to upcoming Dhanteras. There are four sources जहाँ से मुझे पैसा आए. Setting an intention now. Take a deep breath, smile, and allow this flow of energy to get sing deep in your subconscious. And I am ready, I am willing, and most importantly, I deserve it. I deserve it. I deserve it. 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520. 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520. 520, 520, 520, 520. Smile. 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520. 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520. 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520. 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520. 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520, 520. 520, 520, 520, 520, and one last time 520, allowing different sources of abundance, different sources of income coming in your life, coming in your bank account, and you're ready to receive it. And feel it actually it is coming on your Google Pay, on your phone pay, via your net banking, and you're receiving that message of that different sources of income and different sources of money coming in your account. And just feel that vibrations right now with a smile. With this, now let's move towards safeguarding or protecting our own energy, shielding our own energy. Sorry, I was on mute. I'm just sharing my screen with a switch word. Just let me know that my screen is visible to you right now or not. Is my screen visible to everyone? Just give me a thumbs up so that I'm aware that my screen is being shared. Okay, we would be chanting stage guard limit shut for 108 times again. So, again, with an intention that all the moon vibrations or anything around you, any negativity around you, should not affect you at any level, physical, mental, emotional, financial, spiritual level. कोई aspects के related कोई भी negativity आपको harm ना करे. So we would be chanting the upper part, sage guard limit shut, sage guard limit shut. Just repeat after me, even if you just listen to me, that is fine. Take a deep breath, align your energies. Sage guard limit shut, 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 sage guard limit shut. Safeguard 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 limit shut. Keep on repeating after me. Just a second. Safeguard limit shut. Protecting, shielding you right now. Safeguard limit shut. Safeguard limit shut. Take a deep breath and align to this vibration that you're always taken care, you're shielded, and you're always protected by the universal divine energies. And feel the different shifts that is happening after chanting Ho'oponopono, after welcoming wealth, and after shielding, after sage guarding. With all of these, let's again close our session. Gentle breathing, join our hands, close our eyes, take 100% responsibility for all the negative beliefs I hold in my life towards my health, my relationships, my personal growth, my prosperity, my spiritual journey. I'm sorry. Please forgive me, my dear self, for not aligning towards my own journey. Thank you, my dear self, for being a part of this wonderful universe. I love your universe. I love myself. I'm always taken care. And say it along with me, yes, I'm always taken care. Thank you so much for joining